Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Children, today we are going to learn exercise 4 from the chapter Time. Before enter into the exercise, let us revise some common thing which is in time chapter. We can classify the time in two ways. One is 12 hours clock time and 24 hours clock time. Usually we will use the 12 hours clock time to say the time. In some cases, that is the airlines, shippings and railways, they use a special way, that is the 24 hours clock time. But usually we will use the 12 hours clock time to say the time, to tell the time. In this we have to add AM or PM with the time. So AM means we know that from 1 to 12 we have to add AM, and afternoon 1 to till midnight we have to use the term PM. So whenever we are using 12 hours clock time, we must add AM and PM. If you forget to write AM or PM, the result may be wrong. In 24 clocks times, we no need to write AM or PM. To indicate the 24-hour time, we have to write a 4-digit number. There should be 4 digits in 24-hour clock time. Here these 2 digits indicates the hours and the remaining 2 digits indicates the minute. So instead of AM and PM in 24-hour clock time, we just add hours alone. Write down the time and add hours. So in 12 hours clock time, we have to use AM or PM, and in 24 hours we have to use only hours. There should be 4 digits. The first 2 digit indicates the hour and the next 2 digits is minute. So in this exercise we are going to learn the conversion about 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. Let us move to the exercise. Look at the first Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with 24-hour time. So here the time is given with AM and PM, that is 12-hour clock is given. We are going to convert into 24-hour time. Look at the first statement. Gets up from bed at 7 AM. So around 6 to 7 AM will wake up from the bed, right? The activity takes place in the morning, and here the period is AM. Children, from 1 to 12, that is the midnight 1 to 12, we have to use the period AM. And in the 24-hour clock time, 1 to 12 is given. We just write the given time and add the term only hours. So here AM is given. It is in the morning. The activity takes place in the morning. So just write the given time. It is 7. Instead of AM, we are going to write the term hours. So till midnight, from midnight 1 to till 12 noon, we have to use the same number and just add the term hours. So here 7 AM, if you change into 24 hour, you can get 7 hours. That's all the answer. Look at the second statement. Goes to school at 8:15 AM. Look at the period AM. So if AM is given, you just write down the given time. It is 8:15. If AM is given, you have to add the term hours. So 8:15 a.m. equals 8:15 hours. Look at the next statement. Has lunch in school at 12 noon. So till noon we have to use am and add the term has. Write down the given number. It is 12. I have told you in 24 hours clock we have to use 4 digits. So in minutes place you just add 2 zeros and the term hours. So 12 noon is equals 12 hours. Is back from school at 2:45 p.m. Look at the period, children. p.m. I have told you if am is given, you have to write the given time and add the term hours. What we have to do if p.m. is given? To convert 12 hours clock into 24 hours, if p.m. is given, you have to add 12 with the given time. So we are going to add 12. 5, 4, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. So if 2:45 p.m. if you convert into 24-hour time, you can get 14 and 45 hours. 14 and 45 hours. So if p.m. is given, you have to add 12 with the given time. So 2:45 p.m. equals 14 and 45 hours. Look at the next question. Has dinner at 8 p.m. Listen children, p.m. is given. So we are going to add 12 with the given time. The given time is 8 and we are going to add 12 hours. If you want to convert p.m. into hours, p.m. into 24 hours, you just add 12 with the given number. 0, 0. Look at the addition children. 2 plus 8, it is 10. 0 and 1 carry over. Now add 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So 8 p.m. equals 20 hours in 24 hours time. So 8 p.m. equals 20 hours. Look at the next statement. Goes to sleep at 9:30 p.m. So this activity takes place in the night time and the period is p.m. So we are going to add 12 with the given time. Here the given time is 9:30 and you have to add 12 hours with the given time. Look at the addition. 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 9 plus 2, it is 11. Write 1 down and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So listen, 9:30 p.m. equals 21 in 30 hours. So is this clear children? To convert 12 hours into 24 hours clock time, if p.m. is given, you have to add 12 with the given time. Suppose if am is given, you just write the given number and add the term only hours. Is this clear? Let us move to the next Roman letter. Convert the time into the 12 hours clock. We are going to convert the given time into 12 hours clock. Look at the first question. 1:30 hours. Listen children, when 24 hours clock is given, you just look at the hours place. You have to decide that if the hour place is given beyond 12, If the hours place is given beyond 12, you have to mention the term, the period PM. If you have more than 12 in the hours place, you have to add the period PM. Below 12, if you have the number below 12 in the hours place, you have to use the period AM. So when you are writing AM, you just write the given number and add AM. Suppose if the hours place, if you have the number beyond 12, you have to use PM and you should subtract the given time by 12. You have to subtract the given number from 12. So here listen, 130 hours is given. In the hours place we have only 1. It is below 12. So write down the given number and write the period AM. So 130 hours equals 130 AM. Here look at the next question. 240 hours. So here 2 is less than 12. It is below 12. So write down the given time 240 and use the period AM. So 240 hours equals 240 AM. In the next time, look at the hours place. We have 5. It is below than 12. So write down the given time 5:30 and use the period AM. Look at the next question. 18 in 35 hours. So 18 is greater than 12. So in this we are going to subtract the given time, subtract by 12. To convert 24 hours into 12 hours clock time, you have to subtract 12. In first Roman letter we have added, and in second Roman, to convert into 12 hours you have to subtract by minus 12. So in minutes place we can write 0. Look at the subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. 8 minus 2, 6. And 1 minus 1, 0. So if you subtract minus 12 from the given number, you will get 635. And you have to use the period PM. So 18 and 35 hours equal 6:35 PM. So to convert into 24 hours into 12 hours clock, if the hours place is greater than 12, you have to subtract minus 12 from the given time. Is the concept clear, children? Today we have learned about the conversion 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock. I hope the concept is clear. We'll see you in the next class, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.